How to cut a video in Clipchamp. So let's start off by creating a new project and let's import a video like that. Now here that I have a video, I've purposefully selected a video with like a lot of different scenes so you can see the cut. Now you zoom in by pressing CTRL and scrolling up. You zoom out by scrolling down. Now that's gonna help you determine where you want to cut the video more accurately. So let's say I just want to cut to this scene right here. I'm just gonna press this. I'm gonna zoom in. And once I'm about here, I'm just gonna, press the video. Now let's say I want to cut right here. What you want to do is just press the S key like that. You don't even have to hold CTRL plus S, it's just the S key. So let's see where the scene ends. It ends right here. So I'm just gonna press S again. And then I want to delete the remaining videos and I just want this one scene. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this and then just press del. I'm gonna select this one as well, press del, and let's get this at the start of the timeline, and there you go. That's how to cut a video in Clipchamp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.